What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chubaranks. Today we're doing Meatless Fridays. And got a new cookbook, so let's check it out. So this is the book, The New Frontier, 112 Fantastic Favorites for Everyday Eating by Ree Drummund. Drummond? Almost. And today's recipe, look at my handy dandy bookmark. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. Fajita veggie boats. That's the recipe right there. Got all the stuff right here. We actually got double the amount, so I can make a couple more because I think they're gonna be pretty good, and we're gonna devour them. So hopefully they come out good. Check it out. Alright, so we just finished washing all the veggies right here. Now we're gonna get our boats started. Shouldn't be too hard. The book recommends to preheat the oven. Got that going right now. We'll chop off the edges right there. Beautiful. Easy. And then cut it right down the middle. This is the scary part. Nice. And then we'll just scrape this out, and we'll do that for the 6 of them. And then we'll start dicing and slicing. Alrighty, so as I was chopping up all the veggies right there, I already tossed the zucchini in the oven. Oven light, beautiful. Had a little bit of salt, pepper on there, a little bit of oil, EVOO. So those will be nice and cooked, getting ready, nice, soft, tender when we want to put the vegetables in to stuff them. So now we're going to start cooking the veggies. And this is the fun part. I've never really done this. Put some oil and butter. I feel like a real chef right now. Should be fun. And then we'll let this all saute and get to know each other. It's going to be great. Almost forgot. Definitely putting some cumin in there. It says about a teaspoon. I'm estimating, just like your grandma does, again. And then it called for cayenne pepper and chili pepper, but I figured let's mix the best of both worlds and put chipotle chili pepper. So that should be kind of spicy but smoky at the same time. Sign me up. Should be good, and then we'll continue sauteing this. Alright, that came out pretty good. Smells great in here. Smells amazing. And we'll take out our zucchinis that have been in the oven for a little bit. You can see the steam coming off of them. Practically almost cooked. And then we'll finish them off in the oven in just a few minutes. Top it off with cheese. And that's it, yeah. And then we wait for it to get goldeny brown. Up close and personal. Left a couple without to see how they taste without the cheese. But that pepper jack looks like it's gonna be amazing. And then they go in the oven for about 15 minutes. Should be turning goldeny brown. If you made it this far, hit that like button already. I appreciate it. And we'll check in at the finished product. Maybe it'll look like the picture. I don't know. We'll find out. Alrighty, so the book said 15 minutes. They're still not like goldeny brown, so I'm going to turn on the broiler. And that should turn them brown. Oh my goodness. That broiler did wonders to the cheese. Exactly what we're looking for. And now we'll just finish plating. And then we eat. Oh yeah, it looks just like the picture, even better. And stepping up my plating game this time. Like Salt Bae. Just a little bit of cilantro. Oh, that one didn't make it on there. Alrighty. Beautiful. And now, taste test time. Alrighty. Careful, the shit's hot when it comes out of the oven, so take your time, let it cool down. Unless you like to hush, 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 when you eat. Yeah, this is gonna be hot. Wow. Tastes like fajitas, but without the meat. Thanks to my new tia, got a meatless recipe for you guys. For me, it's gonna be good for Lent. And yeah, that's it. Till next time, nos vemos.